guys, it's Sandra from Inspired Keys. If you want me to answer your worship keys questions with priority, or you have a request for any worship song that you want me to do up a tutorial or a cover video of, and if you want to stand a chance to be an Inspired Keys Academy scholar, then be sure to check out patreon.com/inspiredkeys. I'll see you there and enjoy the video. Hey guys, it's Sandra from Inspired Keys. The one thing about playing worship keys that engages listeners is contrast. That's right, contrast, which also means to make something different. Texture is the next one. Texture is pretty interesting. Monophony texture will be where it's just normal chords. Right? Polyphony will be when you have chord and then the voice is singing the main line and then there is another tune going on. So it's like two melodies interacting with each other. So assuming da 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 da. So there's a da 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 that's going on with the da 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 da. The bridge melody going on at the same time. So then you start hearing two melodies that are interacting on top of each other. Well, on top of that, if you can think of something that matches and fits really well, you could like have another melody, counter melody on top. So there are three interacting. That might get a little bit distracting or busy, but if you're repeating it 100 times, no harm trying and creating more contrast, right? So like, da, da, da. Maybe on the top line, you could like, you know, there could be a thousand versions of riffs that you can just create. But when you play a riff or a counter melody against another melody, the main melody, then that's polyphony. And that's also another way you can create contrast. To go deeper in this topic, be sure to download the free download that is available for you. Just click the link below to access the cheat sheet that I've created for you on aspects that you can create contrasts for worship keys playing. If this video helped you, be sure to help this video to rank better on YouTube by liking, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with your friends either by social media or word of mouth. Also, comment below to let me know what you thought of it. Is there another aspect of music that you can think of that we could create contrasts on that I missed out? Yeah, the possibilities are endless. And you could also share with me ideas on suggestions on what kind of videos you want to see in this channel in future. And finally, if you want to fast track your worship keys playing, then be sure to check out the Inspired Keys Academy. Inspired Keys Academy is a membership site that houses a lot of worship keys videos that you can learn at your own pace as fast as you want. And not only that, you can also upload a video of yourself playing, and then you can get critique on your playing and interact with other worship keyboardists as well. So if that interests you, be sure to check out the Inspired Keys Academy by going to inspiredkeys.com/join, and I can help you with your worship keys playing as well. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Happy playing and God bless.